Here's how to uninstall programs or apps on your Windows 10 computer. I'll show off two different ways to uninstall the programs, so if one method doesn't work, watch through the whole video to try the second method. To do the first method, we're going to open our Start menu and type in Remove. We can click either Apps and Features if that shows up, or click the one that says Add or Remove Programs. These will both bring you to the same page, so click whichever option shows up for you. On this page, we have a list of all the programs on our computer, which we can sort by name, size, or install date. We can also search through this list by typing in this search bar just above the list. We're going to do this for the example in this video. I'm going to uninstall a program called Atom, so I'll type Atom into this search bar. Once you find the program you're trying to uninstall, click on it and then click the Uninstall button. Click Uninstall again and wait for a window to pop up. If it asks, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click Yes to proceed. It should begin uninstalling. If your program or app has coded an uninstall wizard, that will open now and you can click Uninstall again to proceed through the wizard. If that first method did not work for you, I'm about to show you the second method now. In the Start menu, type in Control Panel and click the Control Panel app. If your control panel looks like mine, in the top right, click the View By drop-down icon and select Category. If yours already looks like this, you're all set to continue. Here we're going to look for the Programs category and click Uninstall a Program in this section. This list is similar to the first method, so just scroll around until you find the program you want to uninstall. Once you find it, right-click on it and click Uninstall or Uninstall/Change, whichever shows up for your program. Click this and it should start the uninstall process. If this guide worked, please give the video a like so other people can also find this tutorial. If you have any issues with it, leave a comment down below and I'll try to help out as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more tutorials like this in the future, consider subscribing. It's free and you can always change your mind. That's all I have for you in this video. I'll see you in the next one.